Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel. As we have started our chapter number 9, that is playing with numbers. Up to question number 5 we have done. Hope you have completed your notebooks. And today we will start with our question number 6. Question number 6, you can see the question that here we will start the question by using BODMAS. Hope you know the full form of BODMAS. Bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Right? I have already told you that first we will solve the innermost brackets, that is 5 into 2. Firstly we solve it. It becomes 8 minus, now we will solve this bracket. We will get 2 bracket close plus 8. 8 minus 2, 6. Bracket will be opened plus 8 and answer will be 14. It's very easy sum beta. Next is question number 7. Here you can see that there is no any bracket is given, but we will solve it by using BODMAS. In case of BODMAS, what we do first? Firstly we open bracket, which is not mentioned in the question, and the next step is division or multiplication. Firstly we solve division, then multiplication. So here 48 will come as it is. It will come as it is. Now firstly we will solve this division. When you will divide 96 by 24, you will get 4 minus 18 6 are 108. Here you can here you can see that addition and subtraction both are coming together, so you can do anything first. Either you can add both the numbers because both comes from the same t, so they can come together, so it becomes 52 minus 108. Now the fight between the two numbers, which is the stronger team, that is 108. So 108 will defeat the 52. With how many marks? It will defeat it with 56. But here you need to decide the sign. So what will be the sign? Check what's the sign of stronger team. It is minus. So as minus team of minus sign is stronger, so it will won the race. So sign will be negative, because this sign shows that which team won the match. So let's start with next question, that is question number 8. That is, here you can see beta that there are a lot of brackets are given. What we call this bracket? This is square bracket. And what about this? This is curly bracket, or you can say middle bracket. And last, what is it? This is small bracket, also called parenthesis. So let's start solving the sum. 22 will come as it is minus bracket start 3 will come as it is middle bracket 8 minus. Firstly we will solve this bracket. This is the innermost bracket, so we will solve it first. 6 plus 4 is 10. This bracket will be disappear and we'll continue with other two brackets. So now 22 again will come as it is. Start solving the middle bracket. So which is the stronger team? 10. What about its sign? Minus. So when it will defeat this team, so how many marks it will get more than this team? That is 2. But here what will be the sign? Sign will be negative. Okay, you can be surprised by seeing that why I didn't disclose this bracket, why I have put this bracket again. This is because there is very important thing that I want to discuss with you guys. Might be you are familiar with it, but it's my duty to tell you each and every concept side by side. So here you can see that there is two signs two signs are coming together, that is negative and negative, negative and negative. When both two signs come together, then they fight together and become positive. So we can say minus into minus. Actually they are multiplying with each other because bracket means multiplication. So they are multiplying with each other. So minus minus is plus. Okay. So even if here you have two signs, both are of negative, but in case you can have one negative term and other positive term, and both are multiplying with each other, then minus into plus, minus. When two negative thoughts comes together, they become positive, and negative into positive become negative, positive into positive become positive, and positive into negative, again it's same as this. Keep this thing in your mind beta. This is very important thing. It will work and it will go very long. Up to that time you learn the mathematics, you study the maths. Up to that time these signs will work. So here 22 will come as it is, 3. Now minus into minus, minus minus plus, 22 as it is, minus, solve this bracket, 3 plus 2 5, bigger team is positive, it is stronger one, so answer will be in positive, and 22 minus 5 is 17. That is the